Dear students, today we are discussing topic number 9, current electricity. First, Kirchhoff's laws of electrical network. See here introduction. For describing Kirchhoff's laws, we will define some terms used for electrical circuits. Number 1, junction. Definition: any point in an electrical circuit where two or more conductors are joined together is called as a junction. Number 2, loop. Definition: any closed conducting path in an electrical network is called as a loop or mesh. Number 3, branch. Definition: a branch is any part of the network that lies between two junctions. In figure 1, there are two junctions labeled as small a and small b. There are three branches. These are the three possible paths 1, 2 and 3 from small a to small b as shown in figure 1. Now see this figure, electric network. Now see here, this is the resistance, this is also resistance, this is also resistance. See here cell, see here 1, 2 and 3, these are different three paths. Small a and small b are the two junctions. In figure 1, there are two junctions, labeled as small a and small b. There are three branches. These are three possible paths 1, 2 and 3 from small a to small b. Now see here question number 1. State and explain Kirchhoff's first law or current law or junction law. See here statement. The algebraic sum of the currents at any junction is 0 in an electrical network. That is, summation over capital I of small I is equal to 0 from I is equal to 1 to small n, where small I of I is the current in the ith conductor at a junction having n number of conductors. See here Kirchhoff's first law. This is the circuit diagram for the Kirchhoff's first law. P is here junction and these I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6, these are the currents. Here sign convention. The currents arriving at the junction are considered positive and currents leaving the junction are considered negative. Consider a junction capital P in a circuit where 6 conductors meet in figure. Applying the sign convention, I1 minus I2 plus I3 plus I4 minus I5 minus I6 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Here arriving currents are considered as positive, that is I1, I3 and I4 are arriving currents and are considered as positive. See here leaving currents I2, I5 and I6 are considered negative. Therefore, equation 1 can be also written as I1 plus I3 plus I4 is equal to I2 plus I5 plus I6, equation number 2. Thus, the total current flowing towards the junction is equal to the total current flowing away from the junction.